Morning, sir.
Good morning.
Can you show the how to do Jala Neti practice, please?
See, the Jala Neti basically is a cleansing technique in between the nostril. So there is some Jala Neti pot. In this, you need to mix lukewarm water with a salted water. It should be like a tear's taste. This is the salt water. It's filled with the lukewarm water. And a very important thing, please remember, if you are doing with the right hand, it should be in the right hand, right nostril, it should be in the right side. And open mouth very well. The breath should be taken care. So please watch carefully, and other hand should be back. Once you open the mouth and just bend forward. Do not tilt like this. Once open the mouth and keep this part inside. Okay? Then see. See, the water will come out. The very important thing is, once it's come out, there are 5 practices you must do. Practice number 1. See, mouth should be closed. (10 to 15 rounds). Practice number 2. Opposite ear like this, not like this, like this. Opposite nostril. Exhale, only exhale. Practice number 3. Kapalabhati. You can have a tissues. Kapalabhati. See, still the water is coming up. Like 15 to 20 counts. Practice number 4. Head down like this, like this. Practice number 5. Since you bend forward so much, you need to bend back also. Take the back support like this. These 5 practices are very important. If you do not do it proper way, I'm sure this is going to be unpleasant. If you do proper way, this is going to be fantastically very pleasant practice, and also feel the breath very freely. Okay? Thank you so much.
Thank you.